Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Hope you had a great day of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to talk about Microsoft stock, which reported earnings today, ticker symbol MSFT, currently priced at $291 per share, and after it reported earnings, it dipped a couple percentage points. Past year, up 27%, which dipped since all-time highs from December 28th, and past 5 years up 365%. So overall, if you think long-term, it's still a pretty solid growth stock that pays out a dividend. This makes up 6.75% portfolio, or $21,015, up 231% on this position. Scrolling down a bit, so what Microsoft does is they develop and support software, services, devices and solutions, specifically in productivity, business, intelligent cloud, and more personal computing. Taking a look at the actual stats, market cap is $2.17 trillion, one of the largest companies. P/E ratio is 33, and dividend yield is 0.78. Taking a look at the analyst ratings, out of the 40 analysts that reported, 90% give it a buy rating. Now taking a look at the actual earnings report, so you can see January 25th, 2022, fiscal year 2022 second quarter results. If you look at the financial summary, you can see overall growth revenue is 20%, which is pretty solid considering it's such a large company and they continue to take on market share. And taking a look at the business segment in terms of productivity and business processes, up 19%, intelligent cloud up 26%. So it's great to see cloud is driving a lot of the growth. More personal computing, 15%. So great to see that double-digit growth at a company this size. And their gross margin is 20%. So it's great to see the profitability, operating income at 24%. Net income at 21%. So it's great to see that they're a very profitable company as they scale their cloud solutions as well as business solutions. Scrolling down a bit, taking a look at the different metrics, you can see all across the board, their bookings grew year over year, a strong 32 to 37%. Scrolling down, look at the financial highlights. Cash return to shareholders, that usually comes up in dividends. They increased their dividends up 9% year over year. So it's great to see Microsoft paying out dividends to increase the shareholder value. Operating expenses also increased, which makes sense because they had to invest in a lot of their research and development, such as in cloud engineering, gaming, LinkedIn, and commercial sales. So typically tech companies have to increase in their R&D to become more competitive in the space. Effective tax rate at 17%. Cash flow up 16% year over year, driven by strong cloud billing and collections. So it's great to see cloud driving a lot of their growth. So overall, in terms of business highlights, you can see cloud services increased 14%, Office consumer products up 15%, LinkedIn revenue up 37%, dynamic products and cloud services up 29%. So overall, this segment is very strong. Intelligent cloud increased 29%, driven by Azure and other cloud services revenue growth of 46%. Wow, cloud is really driving their growth. More personal computing, Windows OEM increased 25%, Windows commercial products up 13%, Xbox content increase 10%, search up 32%. So it's interesting to see search and their advertising business growing, even when Facebook and Google are pretty much the duopoly in the ad space, but great to see Microsoft taking some growth as well. Service revenue up 8%. So overall, very strong business growth across all business segments, especially the cloud business. And taking a look at you can see this chart, their total revenue continues to grow quarter after quarter. So you can see the blue bar is revenue, the one below is operating income, but great to see that kind of growth. Same goes for productivity and business processes. Overall, very solid business. Intelligent cloud, look at the year or quarter after quarter. Revenue continues to be very impressive in terms of the growth. And last but not least, personal computing. Even though there were some dips here and there for the revenue for more personal computing, but overall, most recent quarter, it's great to see that double-digit growth. So in terms of Microsoft stock, I will continue to hold my position, and if it continues to dip, I will buy some more Microsoft shares just because Microsoft continues to provide tremendous shareholder value, increasing their growth in all business segments, and they pay out a solid dividend yield. And yeah, I think I'm going to pick up more Microsoft shares as if it ever dips. And I think it's a long-term play because they recently acquired Activision Blizzard, so they're going to beef up their gaming business, and seeing that all segments continue to grow, especially cloud. I think once Microsoft gets into or grows their gaming, VR, metaverse business, I think Microsoft will have more opportunities for growth. So also for this video, what are your thoughts on Microsoft stock? Comment down below. Remember to use my referral links below, and both of us get $20 for using personal capital or free stock for using Robinhood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to learn more about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.